Now, if you're not the biggest fan of cities, just like me, and you're in Sofia, which is a very big city, you can always escape to nature. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to Vitosha mountain. I'm going to go all the way up to the Black Peak. Let's see how it goes. So I'm currently driving up Vitosha mountain, but the road is not in the best shape, and that's kind of an understatement. I mean, it's doable with a normal car, but you need to take it really slowly. And they're actually working right now, but yeah, it's 6 kilometers left, and I think it will take me like 20 minutes probably because of this road. And I'm already on a late start. If you have been watching some of my other videos, you know I'm usually on a late start. Alright, I made it! Oh. Right, off we go to the Black Peak. Not sure what to expect, I didn't do much research. There's like a river here. Okay, according to the application All Trails, it's 6 hours and a half, and I'm pretty late, so I'm not going to waste too much time. If you're wondering about this hike, it's 16 kilometers, 8 kilometers to go up the peak, 8 to come back. Elevation gain is about 800 meters, I think. It's pretty much all the time up until you reach the peak. Damn, I'm sweating, I'm so not used to hiking anymore. Oh, it's been a while. And I will leave all the details in a blog post in the description of this video. So if you want to do this hike, you can find all the details there. Just check out the link. This right here, Cherni Vrah, means Black Peak, so you need to follow these signs. It's the Kumata hut. I think you can have a drink here, maybe eat something, if it's open. Alright, time for a little break because we're a little bit of protection for the sun because it's burning here. I'm getting closer. That right there, I guess that's the Black Peak. About 2 kilometers to go. And another shelter here. Let's have a look. Looks like it's still full of snow there. Oh yeah. What is this? This is all snow. Let's have a look inside. An old shelter. Looks more like a jail. Somebody was here for April 2022. So about almost 2 months ago somebody was here for sure to read the newspaper. Because why not? Going to take the detour just to be sure. I don't have hiking sticks with me. It's not a long patch of snow, but I can take the detour. I made it to the Black Peak, 2290 meters altitude. Just 30 minutes outside of Sofia. And it's super windy here. I'm not even sure if you can understand what I'm saying, but really a lot of wind here. I'm well on my way back now. The Black Peak is in the distance already. I don't know if you can see it, but what we have there is not so promising. Really a huge dark cloud. It looks like it's raining already a bit there, so hopefully it doesn't pass here. But it looks like it might be going the other direction. But if not, I think in probably 1 hour I can be back. And there are some shelters. I have a rain jacket, I'm prepared, but I'm not prepared for a storm or something. So yeah, we'll see. Alright, I made it back to the starting point of this hike. It took me about 6 hours, and yeah, it was worth it. I would say it's not the most beautiful hike that I ever did, but it's close to Sofia, which is really great. You only need to drive 30 minutes and you can do this. It was good for me to train a bit because it's been a while that I hiked. So yeah, now it's time to find some food. Another day in Sofia and another escape to nature. About 20 minutes outside Sofia. You can do a small circular hike, I think it's about 5 kilometers, to a waterfall. So that's what I'm doing right now. Join me. Now, one thing I would like to say about this hike to Boyana Waterfall is don't be fooled by the distance. It doesn't look that far, but it's very steep. Let me show you. Damn, it's full of flies here. Whoa. And it looks like we made it to Boyana Waterfall, unless there's a more impressive waterfall higher up, because the trail continues next to the stream here. So maybe there's another waterfall, but this is already quite impressive actually. But it's full of mosquitoes here. Fucking hell. Okay, so there was another waterfall after all. The river is cascading all the way down until where I was before. So there are lots of waterfalls actually, but I think this has the highest drop. So this is the most impressive one. And each time I think I reach the real waterfall, there is more, but I think this is the final one. Let me show you. And that's how you filter water. Probably I could drink it without filtering, but to be on the safe side, and I have a bottle to filter it anyway, so I do it. Let me give it a try. Yeah, tastes pretty good. So my first waterfall here in Bulgaria was a success. I was quite impressed actually. And no, I didn't go swimming. I'm just sweating that much. I wish I could go swimming to cool down a bit. But now I'm going to another destination, into the mountains. But that will be for the next video. So see you in the next video. Ciao.